Yes, this is an investigation that we carry out each year. It's the National Account Survey, where we calculate the GDP figure, the gross national product. With the GDP, we can measure how the economy has been developing throughout the years. This year, we are treating the year 2020, and you may ask why 2020. We are in year 2021, and we're going to ask questions about 2020. That's because we work with the figures that we have, and this investigation is based on the financial figures of businesses, and the year that is done is 2020. So we have to work with that. But what is most important, it's not the figure of the year itself, but the development that we see throughout the years. This investigation, like I said, is about financial figures, the costs that are made. For example, the figures that have to do with investments, etc. It's a very broad investigation. I want to remind everybody that the CBS is very protective of the figures. We are really concerned about the privacy, and by law, it's regulated that we have to treat the figures with very carefully. So we are very concerned about the privacy. The figures itself get separated from the business's name, so there's no way that we can see confidential information or anything like that. So yes, I want to appeal to the businesses that have received a letter. We are expecting to deliver the letters this week. To please cooperate with us. It's very important. And if there's any question, they can always reach us. They can either call us at +599 717 8676, or they can send us an email to caribisnederland@cbs.nl. If someone has trouble also filling in the questionnaire, we are here to help. So it's very important, and we want to thank everyone in advance for their cooperation with this investigation.